Homeowners and HOAs and condominium associations with denied insurance claims really would be well advised to speak with a knowledgeable condominium or HOA attorney. The reason is that an insurance claim in the context of condominium or association and the liabilities of all the parties is a lot more complex than your regular homeowner's insurance claim. There's many things, for instance, in an association that is the association's obligation to repair, such as a roof over a unit. If a roof, for instance, leaks into a condominium unit and causes damage, generally speaking, that association may be liable for the entire cost of the repairs, which may make an individual insurance claim unnecessary and not advisable. So it really depends on so many different aspects, such as where did the water or property damage come from? Was it from a common element? Was it from another unit, from somebody else's appliance? Was it from your appliance? So the best advice that I could give in that situation is speak with a knowledgeable attorney, because it's just a little bit more complicated in the context of condominiums and homeowners associations.